Production process demonstration. The upper layer consists of 14 rows of 762 corrugated panel. The forming process is fast and produces excellent results. The lower layer consists of 21 rows of 686 IBR roof panels. With more rows and a fully integrated, single-piece design, the effect is better. Shearing process demonstration. The upper layer is a corrugated roof panel, shear. The cutting process is fast and precise with very little error. Continuous shearing remains stable. The lower layer is a sheared trapezoidal roof panel. Double layer shearing independent and non-interfering. Contact me for more information and pricing on the machine.